waiting all of that. I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I won't think twice. Better than fuck up your pride. Just going on. Oh yeah. When a nigga pull up on me, tell a nigga baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Hey, whoa, hey, yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted to stop home, it's me, the house, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it up. I still got no fumbles, I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle, I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen.
It's different when I'm sitting there alone by myself. It's different when I'm thinking you might be with somebody. This shit. it started. Evidence we miss, and I'm not more in love with you. Something wrong with me. I like the way you screw your face, trigger me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't bring my way out to it. It's the same, and I can't blame myself for loving you. You do it. All that I know is it was inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me. Even when I'm sitting there alone by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit. How can I love somebody else if I can't love myself enough to know when it's time to let go? Sing all I really want, yeah. Be happy, yeah. Find a love that's mine. Be so sweet. All I really want is to be happy.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Sunber hair, and it's been a really long time since I've actually worked with Sunber hair. And today I am reviewing like this beautiful, like it's like a chocolate ash brown type of color. It's not like a true brown. Some of my hair is wet right now so you can't really see, but like at the bottom, this is the actual true color of the hair. So it's like a chocolatey brown, but it still has like that ash blonde like tone to it. So that's the vibe for today. I currently have this argan foaming mousse on my hair right now. So if you guys want to know what I'm using to get my hair to look like this, it is this and some water. So today what I went ahead and did with this unit was very simple, because this is a 4x4 T-part closure unit, meaning that there is only a small amount of lace on the actual unit. There's lace in the center part just for the part, and then around the perimeter just so you can actually apply the unit. So I will say that you're very limited when it comes to styling, of course, with a unit like this. So I wasn't really able to do too much, and I didn't want to add baby hairs to it just because the hair is already like this light brown type of color. I felt like adding the baby hairs would have kind of been too much. That's kind of like my same ordeal when it comes to like colorful hair. Like if I had pink hair in my head right now, I wouldn't do pink baby hairs. I would do everything I can in my power to just keep it natural looking, because it's already a lot with the color. So that's the reason why I didn't add the baby hairs. But if you want to, you can definitely add baby hairs to this unit. They do leave enough space for you on the unit so that you can add in the baby hairs if that's something that you want. So in today's unit, I just have like a basic middle part. Everything is like really flattened out, and I went ahead and I put some concealer in my part just to help define it a little bit more, because I felt like before I did that you couldn't tell where the part was. And I also had to like shave the part a little bit as well, just to try to like open it up a little bit, because it was very like skinny. And anytime that you put concealer on your part, you want to make sure that there's actual lace. When you put the concealer over your hair, the product will end up moving off of that section, just like, you know, how we have here. So that's the reason why I did that, and it looks really good, I will say. I also got this unit to look really flat, because I feel like before it was also like just really poofy at the top, and typically I don't really like flatten out the roots on my curly units unless I have that issue, unless it's like really big and bulky. And I got it to like be a little bit flat, and I was still able to get some of the wave pattern back. So if you're concerned about that, you can definitely get your wave pattern right back with just adding some water in your foaming mousse. It'll add the wave pattern back.
So now we have a nice, sleek, flat looking unit. So it's up to you what you like, but that was just, you know, what I decided to do with this unit. Now, as far as the inches on this unit, I want to say this is a 24-inch unit, and this is also a jerry curly texture. I really do like the curl pattern and the texture to this unit. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, it looks beautiful in the wet and the dry state. So that's one thing that I do like about it. Like, here's an up close look at the curl pattern, you guys. Like, this is what I mean. Like, it's very beautiful. I absolutely love the hair, but I really just wanted to show you guys this unit. I know a lot of people shy away from the T-part units, and I completely understand, but it's like a T-part unit is the same thing as a closure unit, you know, a regular closure unit. Because when you have a regular closure unit, you're not really doing that much with it anyways. Like, you're not parting it in a bunch of different spots. You're usually doing a middle part with a closure. That's pretty much what closures are. So that's the reason why I don't personally mind, you know, T-part closure units in this sense, because it's a closure. Now, if this was a lace frontal unit, then I definitely would be like, I don't know about that. But when it comes to a closure T-part unit, it's a little bit more flexible for me. Like, I'm able to like bend the rules a little bit, just because it's literally just a part. Like, you're not gonna do much else than that with the closure unit. So I like that it's very simple, and I like how flat I was able to really get this unit, considering like how bulky it seemed before. And the fact that there are tracks like all up in here, at least it's not like all lumpy. You know what I'm saying? Like, they did a really good job with the construction of this unit. It's very comfortable to wear as well. That's another thing that I do want to say. I do want to talk about the comfortability of it, because a lot of times when I do get units that are T-part units, they're very uncomfortable, they're itchy. They usually have like these flaps here on the side that are very uncomfortable as well. Because typically when I have these types of units, like, those flaps always irritate me, and I end up like bending it up or like folding it into the wig so that it doesn't bother me. But I don't have that issue with this unit at all. The color is definitely selling this unit. The curl pattern is definitely selling this unit. The density on this unit is actually very full. Right now it may not seem like that, you know, because it is wet and everything, but this unit is actually very full, and that is part of the reason why I had to actually tame the unit by using my hot comb and some foaming mousse to just kind of help control the hair, because sometimes hair has a mind of its own. I'm not gonna lie, especially when it has like, when it's really curly. But look how beautiful and defined these curls are, you guys. Like, look at that. The curls in this unit are so bomb. Like, you cannot deny that. And I just love it. I think it's really cute and sexy, and I think you guys will like it too. So if you're interested in giving it a try, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there is something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, be sure to drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to thank you guys for all of the support. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I hope you guys do enjoy this unit. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know you like this unit. And of course, I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Sunber Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. I absolutely love it. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for stopping by on my channel to watch and support. Thank you guys so much, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.